That's right. As your eyes begin to change focus, just close your eyes down. Just close your eyes down. And closer and closer. And as your eyes begin to change focus, sleep deeper.
The hell?
What's your name? What's your name?
Bob.
Hi, Bob. What's your name? What's your name when you try and say it? Yeah. And stuck. And now that hand is stuck to that wrist. Sleep. Lay down. Hold your finger out and see if one bird comes down to you. Oh, look at that bird. Isn't that beautiful? Give it a little stroke. There you go. 100 pounds. If you can tell me how many dwarfs does Snow White have? Stuck. It's 1, 2, 3 and sleep now. Deeper, deeper, deeper line. Heavier, heavier. Really heavy. Bend down. Press it. Really lift. Really lift. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Right, this is your ears. This is your eyes. That's your nose. Where's your mouth?
I'm sorry, I have to.
Right. Okay. 1,
2, 3, couple of 2.
and you start to laugh like a posh lady. You start. What is that stuff?
It's mojito.
Mojito. It felt good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Good stuff. High five. There you go.
Okay, that's me, isn't it?